Hello, my dear student. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing study at your home. As you know that the school is closed due to cold wave and chilly weather. We do care for you and your study, therefore to keep you and updated from coming examination. I am here with a revisional video of subject maths. So, watch the videos and practice the notes of exercise at your home regularly. Okay, students? So, today we are explanation exercise 12.3. Previous video explained exercise 12.1 and 12.2. Okay? So, first all of you explain clock and days or months. Okay? So, first here look at in which month do you celebrate Children's Day? Look here, this circle. In which month do you celebrate Children's Day? As you know that, students, what is the month of celebration of Children's Day? N. Write letter for N. That means November. Spelling of number N-E. Spelling of November. So, write the letter of N. After that is spelling N-O. N-O-V-E-M-B-E-R. November. N-O-V-E-M-B-E-R. November. Months November. Okay, so first one, write the month. Write here month. First one, this month is, that means previous classes explanation. This month, current this month, write your name. What is the month? February. So write here number February. This month is February. Spelling of February F-E-B-R-U-A-R-Y. February. This month February. Okay. Now second, now next month. This month February and next month. Next month February after March. Write in M-A-R-C-H. The next month March. And last month. Last month was December. So spelling of December D-E-C-E-M-B-E-R. December. Okay, and last month was December. Now next fourth one, your birthday is in the month of. Your birthday is in the month of. So my dear students, write here is your birthday this month. That means January, February, March, April, May and so on. So first write your own months. Okay, my month name, birthday June, J-U-N-E, June. Okay, so everyone students write the birthday month. Okay, your, that means write own birthday. That means my birthday is June month. Okay, now fifth one, Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated in the month of. As you know that students, Independence Day celebrate in the month of dash. So write whose month celebrate Independence Day? August. Spelling of August A-U G-U-S-T, August. Okay. Now sixth month, the fourth month of the year is dash. The fourth month of the year is dash. Fourth month, February. Fourth month, January, February, March, April. Fourth month is April. So write here letter spelling of April, A-P-R-I-L, April. Okay. Now seventh one. The last month of the year is. The last month of the year is. Okay, students. So year is last month. 1 year is the last month of December. Last month of December. D-E-C-E-M-B-E-R. The last month of the year is December. Is that clear, students? The last month of the year is December. And now last, eighth one. Months that start with the letter A-R. Month that start with the letter A-R. Okay? E-R. So write here month's name for starting first letter A. Okay? Which month? First letter is starting. That means April and August. April and August. So first write your name. April. Spelling of April. A-P-R-I-L. April. Okay. Now second month. August. A-U-G-U-S-T. August. Okay. Now second month is August. So school students write your spelling of August is down. A-U-G-U-S-T. August. Okay. Is that clear? Now let's start mental math. Read the clock and draw hands to show the time. Read the clock and draw hands to show the time. So first one, hour hand is 4 and place and minute hand is 12 place. So that is time 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock. 1 hour later. 1 hour later. So clock hour hand is 5 and minute hand is 12. That means time is 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock. Okay. Time is 5 o'clock. Okay, students. Now next and second one. Minute hand is 6 and hour hand is 10 between 11. Okay, 10 and 11 between hour hand. So that is time is 10:30. Okay, and after 1 hour before. So write your previous clock 1 hour later. Write the show your time, and second clock 1 hour before show your time. Okay, 1 hour before, that means first arrow hour end is 9 and 10 is between and minute hand is 6. That means time is 9:30. Time is 9:30. 1 hour before, that means time is 9:30. Is that clear? Now third one. Third clock is show time. Minute, short hand, that means show minute, and long hand show, short hand show your hour and long hand show your minute. So 4:30. Okay, that means hour hand is 3 and 4 between. Okay, and minute hand is 60. That means time is half an hour later. Okay, that means time is 3:30. 3 30. Okay, half an hour later. Okay student, half an hour later, that means half hour later. So first short hand, that means hour hand. Long hand, minute hand. Short hand 4 and hour. Minute hand 12. So time is 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock. Is that clear? 4 o'clock. Now next, fourth one. First short hand 9 and long hand 12. What is this time? Time is 9 o'clock. Time 9 o'clock. Half an hour before, or half an hour before, that means show your time. So short hand 7 and 8 between. Okay, short hand 8 and 9 between. 8 and 9 between, and long hand 6. So that means time is 8:30. 8:30. Okay student, time is 8:30. Is that clear? Now next, worksheet. Next, worksheet. Read the calendar. Answer this question. Read the calendar. Answer this question. So, calendar. As you know that student, what is this calendar? Calendar. So, study months and day. Daily life use. Hang the wall is calendar. So, read the month and days. Okay. So, first one. SU means Sunday, MO means Monday, TU means Tuesday, WE means Wednesday, TH means Thursday, FR means Friday, and SC means Saturday. Okay, there are 7 days. Is that clear? So first month is 7 days. So first day is Tuesday. Tuesday, what is the day? 1. Tuesday, what is the day? 1. And Wednesday, what is the day? 2. Thursday, 3. Friday, 4. Saturday, 5. Okay. Sunday, 6. Sunday is the holiday. Weekly holiday is Sunday. Okay. 7. Monday. Tuesday, 8. Wednesday, 9. Thursday, 10. Friday 11, and Saturday 12, and so on. Okay students, so first look at this picture and solve the timetable calendar. First question is, how many days are there in the month? So what is this calendar? So the month 31st day. Okay, 1 month is 31st day. This month is 31st day. So write a number 31st. Okay. Now second one. What is the date on the first Sunday of the month? First Sunday of the month. What is the day? 6. So write here. Number is 6. Okay. Now third one. What is the day on the 24th of the month? What is the day on the 24th of the month? So look here, calendar 24. What is the day? Thursday. 24, and what is the day? Thursday. So write here, days Thursday 24. THURSDAY, Thursday. Okay, now fourth one. How many Thursdays are there in the month? Okay, how many Thursdays are there in the months? That means what time? Okay, so Thursday count this: 3, 10, 7, 21 and 24 and 31st. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thursday, 1 month is 5 days of Thursday. That means 3, 10, 17, 24 and 31st. Okay, so write here number 5. 5 days. Okay. On which day will be the next month begin? Next month begin Friday. Friday. Okay. Okay, my dear students. So all the exercises clearly explanation. So complete the all exercise in your book and practice it. Okay students, thank you and have a nice day.